kanina dun sa company outing. So what I'm going to do now is to prepare for the party for tonight. So my national costume is Korean. So I'll be wearing hanbok and I'll be doing my makeup now. Okay, so I'll be using for my foundation is the Cathy Doll AA Automatic Aura Cream. So this has SPF 45 PA+++. So this is what I'm going to use for my foundation. So tapos na ako dun sa skincare. So I added another pump. So for the second layer, so I'm just putting in another layer. So this time, I'll be using a concealer. So we'll use Clio Kill Cover Concealer in the shade 3BY. So this is how it looks like for my under eye. Just leave it for a few, like for a minute.
Okay, so now I'll blend the
And then I'll be using Fit Me Powder Foundation Classic Ivory is the shade to polish everything. Then put some on your neck too.
next will be the brows. So for the brows, I'll be using Easy Brow Pencil from the House. So this is how it looks like, and the shade is 2. So just brush your brows. So for the Koreans, hindi masyadong shape yung brows nila. So I'll try to do that kasi may shape yung brows ko. So, there. And the other side. So for me to cover off the excess of my brows, I'll use a concealer. The concealer 8. tonight. So just want to make my brows look as flat as possible till I'm in March. So then I'll put a brown style from K palette. This is the Wendy Tattoo Lesson brown style from K palette.
Then contour. So next I'll contour my nose. So I'll use BYS contour and highlight stick. This is my favorite. Alam niyo naman yan. So there. So I'm done putting the contour. So I use Eco Tools Micro Crease Brush. This is how it looks like. Kasama to dun sa kanilang travel kit. So since matangos yung ilong ng mga Koreans, this is what I did. So I used the other side of the BYS contour and highlight stick. Hindi ko ito masyadong ginagamit, but this time we will use it. Okay, so for the blush, we will use, kasi hindi sila parang yung sa Koreans, hindi sila masyadong red yung kanilang cheeks. So what I'm going to use is the Maybelline Creamy Cinnamon Color Show Blush. Ayan siya. So nasira na siya, guys. I really like this. Hindi ko pa rin siya nauubos, pero tignan nyo naman, mahihitpan ko na siya. So, nasira na siya dahil sobrang dalas kong gamitin. So, we'll put the blush like so. So, ang ginamit ko is yung medyo hindi siya reddish shade. Parang medyo drunk blush effect. So, next would be the eye makeup. So, I'm not really good with eye makeup. I don't really put eye makeup, but this time we will. And for the eye makeup, this is what we're going to use. We will use the BLK Cosmetics Intense Color Liquid Eyeshadow. So I have the color Cute, and then I also have the color Gorgeous. This is what I'm going to use.
Pink shimmer. We'll add it here. I think I should add this one first. We'll use Gorgeous as the base. And we'll use the same brush from Eco Tools too. Even out the color on my lips. So, like that. As you can see, mild lang siya. Because that's how the Koreans are. Mild color, not intense makeup. So I'm going to do the same on the left side, the left eye. Medyo mahirap, guys, maglagay ng eye makeup if you have extensions. So, medyo mahirap lang tayo. Then, we will put the shade Cute sa middle, the middle. Like to highlight. also like the bottom of my eyelids.
That's it. And then, I should put a Checkeye. By the way, hindi ako magla-lashes because I have extensions nga like what I mentioned earlier. So, I'm just going to brush it like so. Actually, at this point, kailangan na ng retouch ng lashes ko. So, dahil nga nasa company outing tayo, hindi tayo nakapagpa-book. So, there. Okay, so for last step for the eye, so I'm going to use this Nichido mineral Kohl pencil for a slight winged eye. So I'll try my best to put a winged eye kasi medyo mahirap siya kasi nga meron akong extensions. So I'll be back once I'm done. Okay, so I think I'm done with my slight winged eye. So there. Next would be the lips. So for the lips, first to get that gradient effect, so I'm going to use this Maybelline Matte Nude Embrace 650 shade for me to like color my lips nude.
Nude. And then, for the gradient effect, we will put this moly lip tint. It comes in 3 shades, kaso bigyan din ako ng tubig for the gradient look. So, we will apply this to the center ng lips. Like so.
I'll try this one kung mas okay siya. This is from
Luna Organics Kiss Inks.
So last step for that dewy look, I will use this Sleek Makeup highlighting palette, Solstice. So it has 4 shades. So I'm going to use the yellow one for my nose, to highlight my nose. And also, I will use the kind of beige one for the apples of my cheeks for that dewy look. So I'm done with my highlighter. So now I'm going to just fix my hair. I'll put extensions and then I take a picture or a video for my final look. So I hope I'll look like a Korean in a bit. Okay guys, so I'm done with my makeup and with my hair with the help of my friends. So this is my look.